Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube upload defaults. What does that mean? It simply means that each time you upload a video on your YouTube channel, these defaults are going to always be there for all videos. So how do you add that? Go ahead and click on settings on the left hand side in your YouTube studio, then click on upload defaults. So once you click on that, you have a bunch of options. You have the basic and you have the advanced. So that could be something in your title, something in your description, something with your visibility. That could be private, public, or unlisted. Let's say you want private. Most people are uploading videos are uploading it in private first or unlisted. And of course, you can also add channel tags. So you can add your channel tag, your channel name, for example, as a default one. So let's say in my case, Drew Tutorial would be it. So I could say Drew Tutorial, and that could be a channel tag default for all videos, right? So that it can be found, right? You also have the advanced, and this could be, for example, things like automatic chapters, languages and categories of your videos, so forth and so forth, comments on or off and so forth. So once you add all of that, go ahead and click and save, and that's going to ensure that whenever you upload any videos going forward, those defaults will be uploaded and set to all of your videos. And that's it, guys.